keyless entry. It's quite a popular feature now on a lot of cars. See this little button here on the handle. This is an Audi SQ7, but it's the same on lots of vehicles. Basically, if you've got your key, your vehicle key on your person, you walk up to your vehicle, pull the door handle opens because the vehicle's technology sees the key in the vicinity and just allows you to unlock the door as an authorised sort of unlock attempt. Now the thieves are quite cleverly cloning car keys now quite easily with readily available tech you can buy on internet auction sites, and therefore they're replicating the signal and then being able to walk up to your car, open the door, no noise, no damage. The same signal also allows them, if your car's a push to start car like this one is, little button there, it also allows them to start the car and simply drive it away. So yeah, it's quite easy to steal. Why won't this one disarm or unlock? Well, because this is a simple, what they call a Faraday pouch. So it's a little pouch that's lined with a material to stop the key, which is in here at the moment, transmitting the signal out to the car. So you see I'm right next to the car with a key in the Faraday pouch, it's not opening. So if we one-handed, bear with me. Right, so there's the pouch and there's the key, simple. So now I've got the key in my hand, we can simply walk up, vehicle unlocks, okay, lock it, unlocks again, okay, so we put it back in, we'll lock it up, we'll put it back in the Faraday pouch, like so. Unlock. No unlocking. So there you go. So the Faraday pouch, although we do all sorts of bear with me, all sorts of tech on vehicle security systems on various different cars, the Faraday pouch is a nice, simple, very cost-effective solution to stop them cloning your car key. So worth a consideration.